What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on Netflix.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, on today's video I will show you what should we expect next from the price action of Netflix, because just less than 24 hours ago Netflix published its earnings report and this stock dropped by about almost 8%. And definitely this is quite substantial sell-off, and it might be just the beginning of new medium-term trend. Guys, let me show you that I already made several forecasts for my patrons. You can see that well, I was anticipating this movement to the downside, and previously I identified this green rectangle as a price target, where the price of this asset was somewhere at $1,000, and this price target was hit to the tick, and since then this asset is in consolidation phase and is in downtrend, medium-term downtrend. And that is why, guys, you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market. So guys, and let's begin today's video with the most recent news. If you type in Google search bar Netflix stock and switch to new stock folder, you can see that, here's several news that explains why Netflix went down in the overnight session. And let me show in the post-market session. And it is the result of their earnings report. I have to admit that they didn't miss on revenue, but they missed on earnings per share by 15.68%. And because of this and because of their, let me show you right here, they have tax dispute in Brazil that reduced its earnings per share. And as you can see right here, Netflix Q3 earnings reached $2.5 billion with EPS at $5.87, missing estimates due to a $619 million tax dispute. And definitely, this is short-term problems for Netflix, but these problems is the reason of this substantial sell-off. Guys, take a look at the forecast for Netflix. You can see that the current price is $1,241, but it is the price before the market closed. The actual price is $1,160, and we are closer to lower border of this estimation. And the minimum price target for this stock is $950, and the highest price target is $1,600. So definitely Netflix has all the chances to grow in the upcoming year, but I have to admit that we have to see the consolidation phase. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, the consolidation right after substantial growth in its price might have two shapes. First of all, right after this movement of five-wave structure to the upside, we might have a simple zigzag retracement that has a shape of three-wave structure. Wait a second, I have to use it like this. And in this case, the price action to the downside might be quite substantial, but this consolidation is not so long in terms of the time. The second option is right here. We might see sideways movement that shouldn't hit much lower price targets, but that should last for quite a while. That should last longer than a simple ABC correction. And for now, guys, we have quite interesting pattern right here. Let me show you first of all on a daily time frame, and let's switch even to weekly time frame. From this bottom, if I turn on logarithmic scale, we've completed 1, 2, 3, 4, and we completed or almost completed the top of the fifth wave. And we hit the perfect price target of 1.618. And well, I have the second option that it is not the top of the fifth wave, and I still don't have this confirmation yet, but it might be the top of the third wave on a bigger scale. And in this case, we might have this entire wave is 1, 2, 3. We have to land somewhere lower to complete the fourth wave, and then we have to see another leg to the upside. And guys, both of these counts don't change a lot in the closest price action, because if I switch to 6 hours time frame, right after the substantial movement to the upside that hit $1,320, we have to see this consolidation. And so far, I was expecting that this movement into the C wave, if it is the A wave, if it is the B wave, we are forming the C wave. And I was thinking that we might have this as a five-wave structure, as an impulsive wave. But instead of impulsiveness, I see a lot of choppiness in this movement. And in this case, guys, we have a little bit different count. We have a diagonal 1, 2, 3 wave ABC into the first wave. Let me show you like this. This might be the top of the second wave. Again, 1, 2, 3 waves ABC into the second wave. Next one, we have, wait a second, next one, we have to see the bottom of the fourth wave that should land, wait a second, not the fourth, but the bottom of the third wave, then retracement to the fourth, and another leg to the downside to complete the fifth wave, that will be the bottom of the C wave. And yes, this type of choppy movements is not the clearest structure. That is why it is very difficult to trade this stock during this consolidation phase. But in general, guys, as long as this top holds, we can project the bottom of the C wave. And to do so, we have to pull a fib extension tool from the very top to the bottom of the A wave and to the top of the B wave. And the usual extension in the C wave is 1 to 1. So this means the length of the A wave should be similar to the length of the C wave. And in this case, guys, the price of $1,065, $66 might be the price target for the bottom of the C wave. And for now, with this type of substantial sell-off, I see that we have to have this type of price action to the downside, and that is why, guys, be cautious with any of your positions. In general, in the medium-term perspective, Netflix is bearish, and in the short-term perspective, it might have this bounce to the upside to complete the fourth wave. This means in the short-term perspective, this asset might be bullish. And in the long-term perspective, I believe that right after this C wave is formed, we might see a next leg to the upside. And this means in the long-term perspective, this asset is still bullish. That is why, guys, be cautious. If you want to know more about technical analysis, subscribe to my channel and join my Patreon. And see you in the next video. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born around rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.